your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
Attaboy!
Stop!
What's it? Say it! I'm the queen of this town. I call